Good morning. Today we are going to discuss conic sections. When a straight line intersects with another straight line which is vertical at a fixed point and rotates about the fixed point, and the surface obtained is called double right circular cone. A double right circular cone consists of two cones joined at a fixed point called vertex. The line that rotates about the vertex is known as generator, and the line that remains fixed is known as axis. Right circular cone has a circular base, and its axis is always a perpendicular line from the center of base to vertex. The perimeter of the base is known as directrix. The lateral surface of one circular cone is known as nape. A double right circular cone has two napes. Nape above the vertex is called upper nape, and the below the vertex is called lower nape. Also, the angle between the generator and axis is called vertex angle. Conic sections. If a plane intersects a double right circular cone, we get two-dimensional curves of different types. These curves are known as conic sections. The plane can cut the curves in three different ways: one way, two way, and third way. Ellipse. When the plane intersects the double right circular cone in such a way that the angle between the plane and the axis is greater than the vertex angle, A less than B, we get a closed curve known as ellipse. When the plane is perpendicular to the axis, the ellipse becomes circle. Thus, a circle is a special type of ellipse. Parabola. When the angle made by the plane with the vertical axis is exactly equal to the vertex angle, A equal to B, we get an open curve known as parabola at intersecting surface of curve. Hyperbola. If the plane intersects the vertical axis at an angle smaller than vertex angle, plane intersects both the naps of the curve to form an open curve. Where B is less than A. This open curve is known as hyperbola, which has two disjoint curves. Degenerate conics. If the plane intersects double right circular cone at its vertex, ellipse becomes point. Parabola becomes a line, and the hyperbola becomes two intersecting lines. These are known as degenerate conics. In this topic, we have studied when a plane intersects a double right circular cone, two-dimensional curves called conic sections are formed. There are three types of conic sections: ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. When the double right circular cone is cut by the plane so that the angle between the plane and the axis is greater than the vertex angle, then the ellipse is obtained. When the plane is perpendicular to the axis, the ellipse changes into a circle. If a double right circular cone is cut by a plane so that angle between the plane and the axis equal to the vertex angle. Then parabola is formed. If a double right circular cone is cut by a plane so that the angle between the plane and the axis is less than the vertex angle, then hyperbola is formed. If a plane intersects the double right circular cone at its vertex, the figures formed are called degenerate conics. Then we are obtaining point, line and two intersecting lines. So, if you like the video, please share it and subscribe my channel Vidya Focus 2020. Okay, thank you.